Okay.
Okay, Sohail, we are starting. Okay.
A very good evening, everyone. It's been a pleasure being with all of you for 2 days. I sincerely appreciate your participation on this event. I would like to call Dr. Damanas Pasar, Coordinator IT Department, to conclude the session.
Good evening, one and all. This year Techstar event is successfully concluded. Every year we used to celebrate Techsar in our college premises, that is offline Techsar event. This year, due to COVID-19 pandemic, we have conducted it online. So this year का Techsar 2021 is the online Techsar event. It is our ambition to continue this tradition to the future, and I'm 100% sure that my entire team will definitely do it. It was very exciting watching all you with the great efforts. I witnessed great competitiveness throughout the event. On both days, that is 19th and 20th March 2021, it was wonderful to see so many students not only being so cheerful but also being tremendous proactive. Students were always challenging themselves. However, none of this would have been possible without my team or our team, the backbone of this grand function. They have put in days of hard work preparing for this event. We can see the great deal of work and the perfect planning for the success of this event. Due to every member of Techsar team, whether it is my teachers, volunteers, event heads, event in charge, they're all of them have worked hard and their efforts and participation has been an unforgettable experience. I hope everyone takes away some wonderful memories from this event. Before I conclude, let me mention here about 300 plus participants from 57 different institutions all over India. Once again, I mention that the over 300 plus participants from 57 different institutions all over India have participated in Techsar 2021. So I mean to say that it is National Techsar 2021. In the end, I would like to thank all players who participated in various events. Without you, without my dear students, this event would not have been possible at all. On this occasion, I remember a quote by famous American author Jane Calloway, and above all else, remember that the end of the great event is never really the end. Once again, repeat the quote. And above all else, remember that the end of the great event is never really the end. Thank you all again, and may you be blessed with happiness and joy. God bless. Thank you. Swati ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time to announce the academic rankers of IT department and winners of various events of the exam. I request Neha ma'am to announce the rankers and winners.
Thank you, Swati madam. So I am here to announce the result of events conducted in Techsar 2021. Let's start events. Free Fire. First winner is Rohan Deepak Kadam from Elphiston College, FYJC Commerce. Second winner, Kunal Dohale from Kendriya Vidyalaya. Next event, Call of Duty. First winner is Manas Tambe from MD College. Second winner is Kedar Alande from Model College. Next event, Tech Quiz. First winner is Mohit Dhamankar from Model College and second winner is Amal Krishna Nair from Model College. Then next event is Code War. First winner is Amal Krishna Nair from Model College and second winner is Gavin Mentunza from St. Xavier College. Next winner is Scribble. First winner is Alicia Sunny from VJTI and second winner is Omkar Agivle from DG Ruparel College. Event tech debate. First winner is Saima Memon from JM Women's College, Bhiwandi. Second winner is Jha Aman Kumar from Elphiston College, FYJC Commerce. Next event, Clash Royale. First winner, Pratik Parab from St. John College. Second winner, Shreyash Khardekar from BJTI. Event, Mini Militia. First winner is Manish Adakmul from Elphiston College, FYJC Commerce. Second winner, Khan Junaid from KMES College. Event IT Exhibition. Winner is Basia Fozan from AE Khalsekar College. Event Logo Quiz. First winner is Rohit Kadam from Institute of Chemical Technology. And second winner is Balaji Mani Kondar from Guru Nanak College. Now, I would like to announce ranker of academic year 2021. So I will start with FY BSc IT rankers name. Okay. First ranker is Chaya Sharma, securing 89.64%. Second rank, Pooja Saroj, securing 84.43%. Third rank, Mayank Kumar, securing 83.94%. Then next, SY BSc IT rankers. First winner is Riddhi Rathod, securing 9.90 CGPA. Second ranker, Sharik Kazi, securing 9.85%, 85 CGPA. Third ranker, Abdul Wahid, securing 9.75 CGPA. Then next, TYBST IT students, rankers. Sorry. First ranker is Vikram Singh, securing 83.29%. Second ranker, Arpita Sharma, securing 82.70%. Third ranker is Ganesh Panda, securing 80.88%. So, congratulations all the awardees and winners. You will get e-certificate on your registered email ID. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now,
I just want to mention.
okay.
I just want to mention one thing, that winners from Elphiston College are not from the IT department, they are from the other branches. Now, a warm and graceful evening to our most valued Honorable Dr. Swati Babal ma'am, Vice Chancellor Dr. Homi Bhabha State University, Mumbai, and Principal Elphiston College, Mumbai. Rajendra Dhamnaskar sir, Coordinator IT Department, Elphiston College, colleagues, teachers, and students. I, Swati Mandavkar, IT Department, Elphiston College. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who work really hard to make this technical event grand success. On behalf of IT Department, Elphiston College, I give really heartfelt vote of thanks to Dr. Swati Babal ma'am, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Homi Bhabha State University, and Principal Elphiston College, who spent her busiest time gracing the event. She is being the catalyst that inspired and motivated us to do our best and stand as a pillar of strength. I sincerely thank for her support and cooperation throughout. Such event cannot happen overnight. We'll start rolling around months. It requires planning and bird's eyes for details. I would extend my gratitude and thank Dr. Rajendra Dhamnaskar sir, Coordinator IT Department, who guided and inspired us throughout the event. I would like to extend my thanks to Mr. Naveen Reddy sir for accepting our request in short notice and for such informative, interesting and live session on blockchain. I want to extend my thanks to Mr. Parag Mastram sir for judging the event, IT exhibition, tech debate, and also for his support and cooperation. We are fortunate enough to be supported by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues who know their jobs and are result oriented. I thank you all from bottom of my heart. for the complete preparation of this event. You got just a week. In COVID-19 pandemic situation, you made the grand success. I also want to thank the people who have worked behind the scene to execute the various events in Texar. Our technical team, Sanjay Navekar, Santosh Bagre, Sohel, Swapnil, as well as the non-teaching staff, Shri Mohammad Irfan, Shri Devidas Gaikwad. I would like to place my hearty thanks to all the volunteers, event heads, event in charge, participants, and their students, because of whom we made this event possible. We have received around 200 responses from 57 different colleges of Mumbai, Thane, New Mumbai regions for various technical events like Tech Quiz, Tech Debate, Logo Quiz, ID Exhibition, Code War, and games like PES 21, Mini Militia, Scribble, Call of Duty, etc. Thanks to all the people who have worked directly and indirectly to make Texas successful. Once again, we thank you for being with us. It has remained a pronounced pleasure. There is a special place in my heart for this inspirational quote. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. So I convey best wishes to everyone. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati ma'am. Ma'am, attendance link.
Okay, I'll just share the attendance link in the chat box only, okay?